Difference between StringBuilder and StringBuffer in Java. Introduction. In Java, strings are immutable. That means once a string object is created, its value cannot be changed. Example, string s equals hello, s ++ world. This does not modify the original object. Instead, a new string object is created. For frequent string modifications, Java provides true StringBuilder, true StringBuffer. Both classes are used for efficient string manipulation, appending text, inserting characters, deleting content, building dynamic strings. A very common Java interview question is, what is the difference between StringBuilder and StringBuffer? This topic explains what StringBuilder is, what StringBuffer is, mutability, thread safety, synchronization, performance differences, when to use each, memory behavior, best practices. This is a foundational Java core concept. Why string can be inefficient. Example string, s equals 0. For int I equals 0, I equals 1000, I ++. S plus equals I. Problem. Each concatenation creates. Check a new string object. This causes cap, unnecessary memory allocations, cap, slower performance, cap, garbage collection overhead. Solution, mutable string classes. Java provides class, thread safe StringBuilder, no. StringBuffer, yes. Both are q, mutable, q, efficient for modifications. What is StringBuilder? StringBuilder is a mutable sequence of characters. Introduced in Java 5. Optimized for single-threaded environments, high performance. Example, StringBuilder, SB equals new StringBuilder. SB.append, hello, SB.append, question mark, SB.append, world. System out print line SB, output. Hello, world. Same object is modified repeatedly. What is StringBuffer? StringBuffer is also a mutable sequence of characters. Introduced earlier in Java 1.0. Main feature. Check thread safety. Example, StringBuffer, SB equals new StringBuffer. SB.append hello, SB.append king world. System.out.println, SB, output. Hello world. Functionality is very similar to StringBuilder. Main difference, thread safety feature, StringBuilder, StringBuffer. Thread safe? No, yes. Synchronized? No, yes. Performance? Faster, slower. Introduced, Java 5, Java 1.0. What does synchronized mean? StringBuffer methods are synchronized. Example concept. Only one thread can access method at a time. This prevents race conditions, data corruption, but synchronization adds overhead. Performance difference, StringBuilder is faster because check, no synchronization overhead. Example, StringBuilder SB equals new StringBuilder. For int I equals 0, I less than 100,000, I ++. SB.append, I. Very efficient. StringBuffer is slower because each method uses synchronization. Example concept. Lock, execute, unlock. Extra locking reduces performance. Internal working. Both classes internally use check resizable character arrays. Example concept. Char add, append, array expands when needed. Much more efficient than repeated string creation. Common methods. Both classes provide almost identical APIs. Method purpose, append, add text. Insert, insert text. Delete, remove characters. Reverse, reverse text. Replace, replace characters. Length, current size. Capacity, internal buffer size. Example, append StringBuilder. SB equals new StringBuilder. SB.append, Java. SB.append. sb.append, tutorial, system out, println, sb. Output, Java tutorial example. Insert string builder, sb equals new string builder, hlow, sb.insert 1, el. System out, println, sb. Output, hello, example. Delete string builder sb equals new string builder, hello, sb. Delete 1, 4. System out, println, sb. Output, ho example. Reverse string builder, sb equals new string builder, Java. System.out.println, sb.reverse. Output, Ava J, capacity and expansion. Both classes maintain current capacity, current length. Example, string builder sb equals new string builder, default capacity. 16 characters. When exceeded. Check, internal array expands automatically. Converting to string. Use toString. Example, string builder sb equals new string builder, sb.append Java. String result equals sb.toString. When to use string builder. Use when. Single-threaded application. Checked. Local method variables. Checked. High-performance string operations. Most common choice in modern Java. When to use StringBuffer. Use when. Multiple threads modify same object. Thread safety required. Less common today. Common real-world usage, string builder. Very common in loops, JSON generation, SQL query building, text processing, logging systems. Example, building SQL string builder, SQL equals new string builder, SQL.append, select S from users, SQL.append, where age 18, string concatenation optimization. Modern Java compiler may internally use string builder for simple concatenations. Example, string S equals A plus B plus C. Compiler often transforms internally into new string builder dot append A dot append B dot append C. Optimization done automatically. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Using string in large loops. Wrong. String S equals plus string. 4. Dot at S plus equals value. Inefficient. 2. Using StringBuffer unnecessarily. Many applications are single-threaded. Using synchronization unnecessarily slows code. 3. Forgetting toString. Wrong. String builder SB equals new string builder. String S equals SB. Must use SB to string. 4. Sharing string builder across threads. String builder is not thread safe. Unsafe in concurrent environments. Best practices. Best practices include: check. Use string builder by default. Check. Use StringBuffer only when thread safety is required. Check. Avoid repeated string concatenation in loops. Check. Convert to string only when needed. Predefined capacity for large operations. Example, predefined capacity, string builder SB equals new string builder 1000. Reduces resizing overhead. Memory efficiency. String builder and StringBuffer improve. Quote, memory usage, quote, CPU performance, quote, garbage collection efficiency, compared to repeated immutable string operations. Simple definition, string builder. A mutable, non-thread safe class used for efficient string manipulation. Simple definition, StringBuffer. A mutable, thread-safe class used for synchronized string manipulation. Key difference summary. Feature, string builder, StringBuffer. Mutable, yes, yes. Thread safe, no, yes. Synchronized, no, yes. Faster, yes, no. Modern preferred choice, yes. Sometimes. Final summary. String builder and StringBuffer are both mutable classes used for efficient string manipulation. Main difference: StringBuffer is synchronized and thread-safe, while StringBuilder is not. Use StringBuilder for better performance in single-threaded code. StringBuffer only when thread safety is required. Key idea: StringBuilder is usually preferred in modern Java because it is faster and avoids synchronization overhead. Understanding mutable string classes is essential for writing efficient Java applications.